Hello everybody, it's me. And today we're going to be talking about 10 animals that have incredible skills. And for our first animal, we're going to be heading over to South America, where we will be seeing the leaf mimic. Now, this little guy can mimic the movement of a leaf in the water. In fact, it does this to avoid predators like crabs and snails. The fish actually dangles its fins in a way that makes it look like a leaf floating in the current. And when the predators get close, they grab a hold of the fin and get their meal. But really, it's not a leaf at all. It's just a hungry fish looking for a snack. Moving on to number 9, we have the chameleon. Now, these guys are known for their color-changing abilities. But did you know that they can also change the shape of their heads? Well, the bumpy bits on their heads can expand or contract, which changes the size and the shape of their head. And these guys don't do this just for fun. It is actually an anti-predator defense mechanism. And by changing the shape of their heads, they make themselves look more threatening. For no. 8, we have the hatchetfish. Now these guys live deep down in the ocean where there isn't much light. But despite this, they have huge eyes so that they can see really well in the dark. They have special reflective layers in their eyes called tapetum lucidum, which basically redirects light back through the retina, giving them excellent night vision. Moving on to number 7, we have the tardigrade. Now, these little guys are also known as water bears or moss piglets, and they are absolutely adorable. And did you know that they can survive in outer space? They can also survive extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. For no 6, we have the electric eel. Now, these guys can produce a powerful electric shock to stun their prey. They also use this ability to navigate murky waters, since the electric signals bounce back from objects in the water, kind of like sonar. But it gets better because they can also create an electromagnetic field around their body, which allows them to sense changes in their environment and the movement of other objects. Moving on to no. 5, we have the homing pigeon. Now, these birds have incredible navigation skills, and they are able to navigate by using the Earth's magnetic field. They also use visual landmarks, the sun's position, and even odors to find their way home. During World War I, homing pigeons were used to deliver messages, and they were even awarded medals for their service. For no. 4, we have the sugar glider. Now, these little guys are known for their adorable teddy bear-like appearance, but they also have an amazing skill, gliding. By extending their limbs and webbing between their fingers and toes, they can glide up to 100 meters through the air. They also use this ability to escape predators and to travel from tree to tree. Moving on to no. 3, we have the kakapo. Now, this flightless parrot is found only in New Zealand, and it's critically endangered. But did you know that they can smell with their feet? That's right. They have a special organ on their feet that allows them to detect the scent of ripe fruit. They also use their sense of smell to find mates and to identify each other. For no. 2, we have the dung beetle.
Ow.
These guys are known for their ability to roll dung into a ball, and they can roll balls that are 10 times larger than their own body weight. They use their strong legs and horns to flip and maneuver the dung into a perfect sphere, and then they roll it to a safe place to lay their eggs. And for our no one, we have the octopus. Now, these guys are incredibly intelligent, and they're also known for their problem-solving abilities. They can learn to recognize themselves in the mirror, and they are able to open jars to get food inside. But my favorite thing about octopuses is that they can change color in a fraction of a second. They do this to communicate, to camouflage themselves, and to attract mates. That's it for our list of 10 animals that have incredible skills. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time.